In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play slime RNG here on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the main goal here in this game is extremely simple. You essentially just need to keep re-rolling to get better slimes. So start by using your re-rolls to unlock stronger slimes with better stats and rarity. This is so important because these guys are going to be what, in the end, allows you to progress way further in the game, taking out these stronger enemies. As you play, you'll unlock like auto roll, which is extremely helpful. Ooh, let's see. Oh, this is about to be a good one. And I actually already have this one, so that wasn't too great. Auto roll is extremely useful because it allows you to just equip the best ones and just keep re-rolling the entire process. But keep using your re-rolls to unlock those stronger slimes. As you play, equip those best slimes to increase your power and then go into your backpack and you want to upgrade your backpack. To do this, just select upgrade just like so. And then you can go through this and do whatever upgrades are currently available. Like for example, I can go ahead and increase my currency boost right now, which is extremely helpful. And then it looks like I can also back out and spend more on my roll speed, which is also extremely helpful. As you progress through the game a little bit, what you want to go ahead and do is continue going further and further through these areas. You'll fight stronger bosses, and then of course you'll also get more currency for that, and then just continue upgrading and re-rolling until you get the best slimes possible. That's actually the entire process. It really is as simple as that. The game itself is pretty simple, but it is extremely addicting and extremely fun. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.